What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the JRD Motorsports vlog. I got Aiden and Jay with me today, and we are doing some shop organization and maintenance on the race car. We are 2 weeks away from our self-set deadline of having to have the race car ready. So time to buckle down, time to get her done. We are doing spark plugs and wires and all that stuff to start just getting the motor 100% ready to go. And then we're going to move kind of back on the car, do all the bearings and everything, and a few other things. So that's the agenda for today. Are you filming me filling tires? Yeah, pretty pumped. We're filling tires, which means that the car is on the ground and it looks sick, even though it still needs side skirts. And we're gonna do some work with it on the ground. We gotta get our sway bar stuff just finalized, and then what else do we put on the ground? I can't remember. I need food. I need lunch. But there's another reason we put the car on the ground. But anyways, we're gonna get the sway bar bolts and everything done. Again, back to our grade 8 thing. We just put some not great bolts in there while we are building the car. So gotta get one of those swapped out with a nice grade 8 bolt. Do you know there's grade 12 bolts? I did not know that. We should get grade 12. No, grade 8 bolts. So anyways, look how good it looks. Show the people, Aiden. Show the people. Just need another 4 inches of side skirt there. 5 inches, whatever. But this is the first time it's been on the ground since it's been wrapped.
It looks sexy.
Yeah, sexy is the word I would use for the race car.
Yes.
Is that today's YouTube video title? God damn, this race car is sexy.
Yes.
All right, so the car has black rims on one side. Holy, look at my hands.
Because you've been working.
Yeah, working hands. Better than my desk job. The car has black rims on the right side and chrome rims on the left side. We've had this argument for a long time, and I know Landon Huffman has this argument with his race car right now with the white rims or the black rims. I don't have white rims. We got chrome. But look at this thing. You let me know in the comments below, black rims or chrome rims. So there she is with black rims. Sexy. Man, it really needs side skirts. Black rims, or if we go to this side, chrome rims. Chrome. I say chrome. What do you say?
Black.
Black? You say black too? Someone's told me before that black rims are only for show cars. Black rims are for race cars. But I don't know.
Black.
I say chrome.
Black.
I say chrome.
You're the driver.
Yeah, I don't see him.
You
Look at our little 28. See, we posted this on Facebook the other day. People said last year that our numbers were too small, so we fixed it. I'm just kidding. Our numbers are huge this year. You're probably going to comment and be like, why are your numbers so big? They're big. All right, we just had a nice little McDonald's lunch. I had some snack wraps because I got to lose some weight. No, I'm just kidding. I had a burger. Look at this, Aiden. Aiden giving her heart over here. We gave Aiden the job of getting the pit cart ready for the season, and he ain't messing around. Started.
Ryan, what are you doing?
Maintenance bud. Gonna pack our bearings, get everything in the front end all ready to go so that she's ready for setup day. Because we are on track in 1 month, and we have our self-set deadline to be around the race car for April 1st. That's no joke. Man, I'm funny. Get a little wet over there, Jay?
Apparently. Spraying it everywhere.
Alright, so we got one of these, what are they? Joe's Racing Products GoPro mounts that are stupid, unnecessarily expensive, although they're pretty fancy, so I'll allow it. But I think it's going to work extremely well. Oh, I got ahead of myself here. Only the best for the JRD Motorsports vlog. So we got this thing. Look at this. You mount it wherever. An angle of camera, however. So I think we're going to go here. And that should be a good camera angle. I think you can probably see me out the front window, maybe out the side window if we put our widescreen.
Yeah, race car driver. That's what you're.
Oh my gosh, what is happening here? First time using a hose clamp? There we go. I have successfully figured out how to use a hose clamp. If another race car hits this, things have gone very poorly.
They gotta catch us first.
Invert rules. We gotta drive through the field. Okay, I changed my mind. This is not overpriced. This is very cool. So we'll put the camera. You think it's okay? It's going to a slight angle. Should be okay. That whole bar is on an angle. But that is actually super, super cool and super easy to use. So shout out to Joe's Racing Products. I had my doubts. I thought it was overpriced, but that is very cool.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, it still probably costs like $4 to make, but they came up with the design.
It is cool.
All right, now April 22nd, we get to see how cool it is.
When we win.
We're gonna win practice.
Oh, practice, yes.
Yeah, we win practice.
See, I'm so excited about racing.
We won practice last year.
Yeah.
Good job, Jay.
I did good job. I had my vitamins today. This is really, really tight.
Mike tight?
Like, Mike tight.
Mike tight.
Won it.
Yeah.
I did it all by myself.
Good job.
I'm proud of myself.
Okay. Another long day in the JRD Motorsports shop comes to a close. Big thank you to Jay and Aiden for coming out and spending the entire day with me here through lunch and dinner. The car is a lot closer. We got all the bearings in the entire car done, all the suspension, everything taken apart and serviced and everything. What else did we do? Got the sway bar and everything all set. Got the car on the ground. Had a vote on chrome versus black. Aiden got the entire pit cart clean. It's like spotless and organized and stocked and ready to go for the season. Wow, it doesn't sound like a lot when I start mentioning it like that. But oh yeah, plugs, wires, got the headers and everything all serviced and everything. There was a lot of work. So the motor's ready to go. So anyways, thank you for tuning in today. Appreciate everybody clicking on this upload, and make sure you hit that subscribe button for us. We really appreciate everyone subscribing. Try to grow the channel, and everyone who subscribes really helps that process. Check out jrdmotorsports.ca. I finally had time to finish drawing our t-shirts, so our t-shirts should drop hopefully this week for sale, if not the week after. And we're getting really close. Race season's around the corner, so we'll be back here another night this week.